Come test drive the 2008 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, driver memory seats, engine hour meter, heated passenger seat. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.